This is my unboxing of a Nel Tornado Coil. I've got it for my Garrett Ace 150, but it fits all the Ace range. So let's have a look. I've got my fitting thing, so I'm doing this one-handed. Alright, there we go. Open this up, let's see what we get. Let's have a look at that first. Tornado for Garrett Ace, all 12 by 13 inch, made in Ukraine. I noticed this on eBay that a lot of them listings are actually from Ukraine. I thought it was a bit odd, but obviously if they're made over there, well, that's not be the case. But I just wanted a UK supply in case you get any problems. So, got some sort of instructions in Ukrainian. No. All the cables seems to be in there. So let's pull that out of that box. That's that. So we've got the coil. To be honest, it's not that heavy. I didn't even look at the weights of these. I just know that most people with Garrett Ace metal detectors buy these Nel Tornado coils for deeper depths. I want to try it out down the beach, see how I get on with that. That's the label on it. Only for Garrett Ace, model or made in Ukraine. Tag there. Ukrainian. It's good. Right, so coil there. This is where I got it from on eBay. I noticed they sell quite a lot of stuff. It's a little company in Fontwell, West Sussex, called Detector, which is quite good. I quite like that name. Treasure hunting supplies. Yeah, I kind of prefer using these smaller companies. If I do have any issues, I imagine I could just phone them up and get help, and they're all sort of fairly accessible. Emails and stuff like that. Have a look at their website. I've never been to it, but like I say, this is who I've ordered the coil off. So that's my receipt. That's the fixings. I'll probably do another video with me taking my other coil off and putting this one on. Should be fairly simple. I think these have got a 2-year warranty. I'm not sure. Service signature. Anyway, so that's everything. Yeah, it looks good. It's very big, isn't it? Look at my coil, it's huge. Cable. That's got the protector on the end. They're the pins. I guess if you're swapping the coils quite a bit, you'd kind of like use this to stop any sand or dirt going in and mucking up the pins. I haven't heard anything bad about these coils at all. Never heard of anything. All the YouTube channels I watch, everyone raves about them. No one's sort of come back with any problems with using the coil at all. Yeah, it's 12 inches by 13. I don't know what that is in centimetres. But yeah, it's the Nel Tornado Coil. So I'll wrap this video up now, and what I'll do is I'll do another video with me connecting my Ace 150 to this coil. Thanks for watching. Bye.